Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name's Zane, I'm going to be your live agent today, and we're going to spend the next couple of minutes looking at the 2020 Cadillac XT5. The version of the vehicle we're looking at right now is the premium luxury trim with the available crystal white exterior paint. There are two different engine options in this XT5. The standard engine is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, which produces 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. There's also an available 3.6-liter V6 engine, which produces 310 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. You'll notice here the available 20-inch wheels, and this particular version of the XT5 also has the available front pedestrian braking. Let's get into the cargo area so we can see how much space is back there. We can use the button, or we can just use the hands-free power liftgate. The 60/40 folding rear seats can be folded flat to reveal a maximum of 63 cubic feet of space. And with split fold functionality, no cargo gets left behind. The XT5 has over 20 available safety and driver assistance technologies like the safety alert seat, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, and the rear camera mirror. The rear camera mirror streams rear-facing HD video that expands to provide a wider, less obstructed rear field of view than a traditional rear view mirror. This vehicle also features lane keep assist with lane departure warning, which can provide gentle steering wheel nudges when it detects you are drifting out of your lane with no turn signal or steering activity. The vehicle also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The available night vision can provide the driver an infrared night vision image of the area lit beyond the headlamps that highlights and provides alerts to detected pedestrians or large animals. The vehicle also features available Wi-Fi, and this particular version has the available Bose Performance Series 14 speaker system. You'll notice the available UltraView sunroof, which serves you and your passengers stunning views from both the front and rear seats. And that's just a small overview of the 2020 XT5. If you'd like to learn more, I'm going to encourage you to call Cadillac Live, and you can have your own personalized experience.